find my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me pass me come any months at Jamaica.
Oh, you see the dog. You know I really love you, right?
Oh yeah, I'm aware.
And on him say, Baby, see me no mean ma. Even how me plant, how my kuma.
Asantwa, why are you speaking like this?
What am I main concern? I said, me have a person in this house. I had issues with Precious recently, and the way I know Kasana name same be no. It seems on our can same be a training to know Kasana same no.
Asantwa, what are you talking about? Go straight to the point, and you are making me worried.
I say, I can't say talk the bar like Obia Kekana Jane, and or say would you record in Bia Breno concerning say me meaning my and you na me say now.
Me?
Yes.
Asantwa, what are you saying?
That was what she said.
I haven't given Asantwa, if you look at me, can I do something like that?
It's not maybe
I haven't given anything to anyone. Asantwa, calm down. You know that it is, females, your fights. Obia pedo kadima oshini yonko. Tetu mi ude Precious wa kadina wa ashu. Oh, Asantwa, why would you let this trouble you?
But they know obet me being an so I can say.
Oh, it's fantasy, imagination. Why would I ever do something like that? Oh, Asantwa.
But so you're cool.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean that we have spoken about anything like this.
Von, no, you're sure.
Asantwa, you have my word.
Von, hey, say, be a me, and I saw who be Nasa own tear, you should obet me be some match you, any hands over catch you.
My love, there is nothing there. I haven't given anyone any recording. I don't even know of any recording, and you know that she was just saying it to taunt you. In the first place, why did you even go and fight? You shouldn't even be fighting. You know your condition. You shouldn't have done anything. You shouldn't have done anything. So don't worry.
Are you sure about it?
I'm very, very sure. Calm down. It's okay. Oh. There's nothing there, okay?
Okay. And the Ohana to be being in one case.
Matia, made of that. This is the way he has.
I want another one.
Opebium. What do you co-host stand with the amount?
No.
Yeah, uncle, you co-host stand with the amount, uncle. Hey, Asantwa.
Aroma. Hey, foolish boy, Aroma. Foolish boy, the wood now. Grab a meeting for one to something, bro. Huh?
Who are you talking to?
Who am I talking to? Are you a tree? So are you dumb? Who has a squad Aroma in this school? Huh?
And you are referring to me as foolish boy.
Are you not foolish boy? Huh? Are you not a foolish boy? Huh? If you are not a foolish boy, wouldn't you have answered me when I was calling you?
You see, the worst part is they are expecting me to see you as my elder brother.
First of all, let me tell you this. I came in peace. I just want to give you a warning. I just want to warn you. For the news that will be spreading on this campus that I'm your brother or that we are siblings. I don't want to hear that news anywhere again on this campus. Aroma, we are not brothers. Just assume it is as a dream. We are not brothers. Huh?
You are mad. Adam Scanty, you are very, very, very stupid. You are crazy and foolish as well. I should stop spreading the news that what? You are my brother. Who said I have that time? Who said I have time to go and tell people that Adams is my brother?
So if you don't have that time, who is the one spreading the news on this campus?
Ask your foolish self.
Who is the one spreading the news on this campus?
Foolish self. That start spreading the news. Who said I want you as my brother? Who said that? I don't need you. Hey, you are mad. Start spreading the news that I'm your brother. Che, killer. You can never be a senior brother. You can never be anybody's senior brother. Not even to talk of my own. Massa, from process in film you're mad, crowd.
Yeah. This siblings thing. No. I'm trying to be serious. This siblings thing. No. Man, you fear some. You fear and you in your four. You in your four campus. So what did I make a show?
Nigga. Fio, Biasu, Lomo, Suasi, we are never brothers.
And I don't even want you as a brother. Me can't obey okay. I don't even want you as a brother.
Who said you can be my brother? You. I'm mad
like you.
Massa, hey, Jiggy. You must do my time. You must do my time. I'm telling you.
To say me who's a mini akatua no me dem say kan wa. Abu mini akatua.
Hey.
Huh?
What do second why there?
Abu mini akatua.
Bumi.
No,
beat me.
Mabua me to chow because you mini akatua. Police boy like you.
Touch me again.
I'll not touch you.
If you call yourself a man, touch me again. I cannot boo fucking. Touch me again. I'm telling you, touch me again and you will see I will slap the hell out of you. Touch me again now, baby. Shiji. Seer. What
Aroma,
I'm telling you. So what person who tell me about me black penny and me to me touch me again, man. Touch me. Maybe put 50 cents best about school have some customer catch me some way in your phone and say, I'm telling you.
Papa didn't know 50 cents. Papa know 50 cents. Huh? Hey, yo, Papa know 50 cents.
Adams,
huh?
Jata dino.
Adams,
Jata dino.
Papa know 50 cents.
Now if your friend is saying, say niggas in the friend.
Niggas in friend, are you nigga? Oh, your neighbor.
My friend leave my shirt. Stupid guy.
Scanner no car so best send them there no.
My D.
What is it?
Just love me. 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 Call Raby Spanier. Name it in Bulldog. Call Raby Spanier. Foolish guy like you.
I'm a brand or Bonesano.
Precious, you cry, why? Precious, Akabenezer one more out there, a cool, out there, parrot. Akabenezer.
Bon. Am I not the one supposed to tell you this?
Precious, what today the tables have turned. I am the one telling you this. Why would you go and tell Asantu about the recording? What reason? You were the same person who said we should keep this between us so that we can use it to our advantage. And now you are blurting it out like that. Precious.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, so now you are apologizing. When I came to you to apologize to you, do you remember what you did to me? And you think I will just stand here and then forgive you?
You were defending yourself. You didn't exactly apologize. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I was really angry. It's just like how you were angry and then when Opoku was there, you decided to tell Opoku my secret. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry.
Precious, we already have so many problems that we are handling. Why do you want to add this? Why do you want to add this to our problems?
So she confronted you?
Yes!
Calm down.
Now I should calm down. Now I should calm down. When I was on your knees begging you, I told you to calm down. Did you mind me? You stormed off. And then now you are here telling me, oh, calm down, calm down. Precious, Akabenezer one or how them.
It's both of us, not just me.
P for prayer. Precious Opoku.
Don't call me that. Don't call me that. Don't try to call me that because I'm calm.
This is not about being calm or anything.
Don't call me that. I don't like that. But I'm sorry. So what did you tell her?
I denied it.
Did she believe you?
Yes, she did, of course.
That's right. I'm so sorry.
Precious, we have too many problems on our hands. We don't have to add more.
I'm sorry, and I'm happy she believes you. That's all I can say.
We won't have this type of luck the next time.
I would make sure not to say anything to anyone. You should also make sure you wouldn't say anything to
Me, I'll keep my mouth shut only if you keep yours shut. That's a deal that we can work.
Thanks.
Don't worry, it's nothing.
Let's go.
Oh, don't worry, me, I'm going to.
Oh, let's go.
I'm checking something.
Oh,
when I'm done, I'll come. We buy the food and then let's put it in a takeaway pack or something. I'll come for it.
Okay.
Amelia, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, tell her to pack it in. Alright, bye bye. I wouldn't be seeing one hour for the 80s and the 2000s still oh how I will if you can no be you I was in there bibia ma catch obi a pede keka se pede suam o se suam Opoku se suam wano I will be hu she said na me no we sha ase bon fan flower.
Sisters, I'm 20. I don't remember cool. I would see I will be any idea now, drinking it. And I need some boss who coffee and go with us up to her. And get to do some one line. Where's my aunt to make her own? That's until already I said, yes, school. They were also making Jahana prayer woo, me a foot one on my day. Maybe Baba woo me. Baby, to me, sister Santua. Hey. Me a foot one and madam, or said there be a word. Woo to me, for. I say, I say, I cry 2 penny for penny to 2 craft for. That's what I said. Almost 7 Mudino school and Macano at Tibina, or Became a child. I'm a mentation, a foot one and madam, a baby young coffee and a call. Me new free day 1 crama, coffee, a fed and make coffee all. So, we know, I will show a free barber. And channel what was to me, I want a shark crown. Hey. Would Jimmy one no Benjamin? What else am I catch all? Yeah, your brass. So do what I say, my mare bow make home. What else am I catch on? 1 year, my 2 men says here because my boy been for. Was it a? My 2 men, sir. Fabra. Toby! Yes, senior, through there. What 2 and sir? Me donya me school when in car, they had a foot on a madam master Santua. And the powers and I'm dear foot over him. Coffee and a cold, no one told. Ya da prana wuti ati musa wonti me ya na wo bra ya so ya bre kofi na kwa wo ya asem a obo afu de ne anu a o e ma no ha me ba mani hu nko ade asem anu de ka to anu ha o ti owu school ma wa fa na o se dey ya me ka no wa fa ochi me free ha kwa ba hu de be ka fa ochi me free ha kwa Utina ye me wo good mood muntia. Next time nya obi ma me swadwen ho twede. Ya sama kwa betu mi se mi nkofi na mi nko. Hey, jina.
Se menye den. Menye den
sen.
Ya nko mo fa nko jiska. Se ya di mechi menye wo den. Ya pon class o se me ko hostel ko relax. Ready baby od ma be jina. Menye wo den.
Hostel ko relax.
Nti kwai.
If it wasn't important, I can't say jina wana. She.
You see menye den. Kasa so.
Me, I'm coming to give you conditions to what's happening to me.
Conditions to what's happening to you.
Conditions for my mother.
Conditions ben say mama conditions.
My man no offer you conditions.
Say mama no offer conditions like how?
No can't send you. Me
see akasa bi no kasa dey me no can send bi dey. Na me tia me pen ntem akọ class oh. Me mpem wansem obi betu say na say akọ a different story.
Me some come back to my G.
Go back to my G.
It's only in Kokasa, also in a downfall.
Oh, go back to my G, say upon class, who say a corner of man, so say.
Kokacham is only in dainty bag. I'm not pet.
You are very stupid. I should go and tell my J that you want to come back to him.
Boy, it's nothing hard.
If it's nothing hard, just go and do it yourself. Baby, I'm going to my J say, who person is back. Are you listening to yourself?
Catcher and now know of our most very mobiles in the sun to chow. Who can come, my J never her matter as well. So we are still making.
Let's say somehow blackmailing.
This is not blackmailing.
Na me nkwa kancha my J na mo bra back na me ne me offer bills ni tum twitwa na ye den nye blackmailing.
My J never have my trust on my boy.
My J your boy. What did I break you up and sana wupra? Huh? Nya wona akwa ka kire ne say mun break you up.
It was a prank.
My J a prank no. My J. Huh? No more prank na my J a prank no. Then let me tell you, he is starting a new relationship soon with one of the newcomers on this campus.
Agwana Udi.
Agwana Mimidi.
Why would you go from down?
Well, she, you will call no. Mimkasa would see above from the mena bibi and Shamana Mitiabo from.
And then I'm Cocassa no bag. Now, when you say you may be an amidem now.
And yet, you may be a corner. What other in my Jane wild then or the then who know my J want to mean my J or now call it.
I'm not even found.
There are some women who say I can't cross some children.
I found one. They are found.
I found one corner catcher. I found one corner catcher. Now, what are smart many me be said beside then some found one catcher instead of their family.
I some way, no, Miss Ming, my mammy, my other boy. I'm called catcher, ma'am. See a day.
They knew they are going to card anything.
Class.
Yes, I mean, some way.
Come on in, Seer.
Wait, you know, correct you.
Me pom.
You know they are grand now in recess here. I don't know. It's also not going to my Jesus.
But some men back.
I my GM intimate Jana for defender.
Intimate Jana son come
If it's to be any other guy on this campus, I can do that for you. But my J, no,
I don't want anybody. My J, you don't understand. You won't understand.
I have to understand. So explain yourself further.
Fix it when we are my country.
The relationship bro one of us here say breaking to me fix you. Now when I don't know what to me freak hell away in sema. Huh? Let me crack can't guy back could be no the old school worker so. Very nice guy.
Yeah. Come yo. I think. I know the girl shower person.
Yeah, Fadron says why say me.
Oh Fadron, only me Fadron. They have me na country, only me never Fadron. I know what Fango Fadron.
Into the now with your conditions necessary.
And then my Jane Cassano back. Or back na many relationship na so tia outa. Na se bills ni na koda no so na wanya outa edidi. Yes, I'm sure they be a magic cow.
And they are no credit. So tia say na bills ni so. Into one tia say they are na se bills ni bit to us.
Eh master wo so tia say hu dia o ye me. Bo amena so me bo.
Because Matty Tiara bones and for no crop.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months so drum me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso drum me ya. Me person me
come no sweet. Oh man, let me say. No sweet. Precious. Sister Cunningham. Oh, come on. Let me help you.
It's fine.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
Cunningham, what is wrong with you? Huh? No, you are too pretty to be doing this to yourself, Cunningham. What is wrong with you? Huh?
It's just that people are hearing about you and Scanty being siblings. Oh. And it's raising insults. I think many people are talking about it. Asanto has even approached me about it.
What's wrong with me being brother? What is wrong with that? If Scanty is my brother, what's wrong with that?
I dated both of you for
Oh, Cunningham. Listen to me. It's not your fault.
But it has already happened. I've dated both of you.
You didn't know.
Do you think people care?
That's why you shouldn't also care.
I care.
Why?
I care a lot about what people think about me. I really care.
I'm coming. did Scanty touch you?
Aroma. Are you
No,
a
I
kid?
just want to. Am I a kid? What do you mean by that?
I can't
So-
talk about it.
Okay, you
It's
know.
it's none of
I
your
know it's
business.
none of my business, but you see the way you were stressing me. You know, I had to go extra miles before I had a chance to. You know, did you also stretch him like that?
Yeah, both different. Well, I don't want to talk about that. I'm serious, and you're coming to ask me about this. Pervert.
Okay, well,
Ah,
no, Connie, listen. You see what is happening?
do you want to harm me?
Listen, this is the
Can you
time.
remove your hand? Remove your hand. I'm not comfortable. Remove your hand.
And then, Connie, now.
Are you here to comfort me, or you're here to?
I
fight
am
with
here
me?
to comfort you, but
Then-
you know, you also have to calm down. Cunningham, I don't like what they are doing. I don't like it. You see, let me
Ah,
help
no,
you. Let me
stop.
help
I
you with
don't
this.
like that. I don't want anyone to think we are still together or anything. My name is spreading too fast. I don't like that. Asantua even confronted me to make fun of me.
Who?
I'm past that. I don't want anyone to be talking to me anyhow.
Asantua.
Yes. Someone like her.
Hey, you see, this is the reason why you don't have to care, Precious. Huh? Someone like Asantua. Look at her situation.
Exactly. Some people don't even have the right to mention my name. Not to talk of my business.
Hey, Precious. This is the time you also have to stand firm. When they do it, you see, they are happy doing this because they know if they do it, she'll be broken and she will cry and she will come and you see, don't let them achieve it.
I'm actually out of tears. It's very hard for me to cry these days. I'm always
You
sad.
don't have to cry, Precious. You don't have to cry.
And you know I can't fight. I don't even know how to argue.
What about Scanty?
It's-
Is he aware you are going through this?
I don't know.
You see, this is the time you need that guy.
Why do I need him?
He has to tell people that they should stop this because me, if I hear somebody talking about that, Precious, that person will trust me.
So now that you know, you can start it. If later Scanty finds out, then he also continue.
Me just obi di namskuma say me Scanty no what dana say ya obi the person will see.
So go out and say it. There is nobody here, so who are you talking to? If you have the courage, go and say it. Don't talk here.
I
You're
want
just
you to
talking to
calm
the
down,
air.
Precious. I want you to calm down. Huh? Everything will be fine, okay? Everything will be fine. You don't have to be standing here alone. It's not good.
I can't go to the girls' dormitory.
Let's go to the boys' dormitory.
What am I going to do there?
You are with me. There's nothing wrong with that.
It's not allowed.
Really?
And they also talk. You think boys don't talk? You think boys don't talk?
Wow. All I have to say is just be chill, eh? Everything will be fine. You don't have to be thinking about this.
I want
It's
to
normal.
go home.
No, don't do that, please. Don't do that. Huh? Don't do that, please. Yeah. So I am going to the dormitory, okay? If anybody talk about that again, Precious, just call me. If you hear anybody, huh? Call me.
So deal with Asantua first.
I'm going there. I am going there.
No, terminate her pregnancy.
No, I'm going there.
I don't want her to give birth.
When you're 12 months, is she not aware of that? 12! I'm
12
going there.
months.
I don't want to.
Aroma, you wait for me. I'm coming.
Precious. Precious.
See.
Oh.
Leave me. What is that?
Precious.
Why wouldn't you just leave the person?
Oh.
What is that?
But I'm not Obi.
Then who are you?
At least I'm your guy. I'm your boyfriend.
Which guy? Scanty.
Why am I not still your boyfriend?
You are too delulu. We've already spoken about this. And I've said that I'm not interested in you anymore. So why do you keep bothering me? What?
Precious, why are you not still interested in me? Huh? Why are you not interested in me anymore? Why did I go wrong?
You like
Huh,
going
Precious?
back and forth too much. We move on. You send us back. We move forward. You bring us back.
I don't like going back and forth, Precious. I just like what I want. Like I'm just chasing my dreams.
Oh, leave me.
Jimmy, no. What happened to the edges of the laptop? Ukra laptop now obi di wood me. Unfa hanim bona no so. Are you mad?
Aroma.
Hey, Scanty, hey, are you not fed up? Scanty, are you not fed up of the foolishness?
No, Aroma. Come
here, come. My brother, I wife. Come here, bruh.
Aroma, I'm your senior brother. You have to give me that respect.
Your senior what? I'm bloody Jesus. What thing be this? You are my what? You are my what?
Have you seen what he's doing to me? Because
hey, listen to the wise guy. Listen.
Perfect. Scanty, this
Aroma.
is the time.
Aroma.
This is my order. Why am I dying? Oh no, why you're dying? What has she done to you? Are you not fed up? And why? Why do you think say you can still win her, Scanty? You will do also Koban one. Come here,
stop that.
Processing. So processing. Did know you in our pewako?
Scanty, yes, I'm a pewako.
Yes, our pewako saying.
People are when Modian was come almost spreading bad false information about her, Scanty.
So this is the time I also who say like in your opinion, your girlfriend. So you have to fight for me. Like what I mean?
Scanty, don't say that. I don't like that. Don't say that.
Precious, are you not one of my girlfriends?
If he says that again, hit his mouth.
One of your girlfriends?
There are 3, you know that.
Look at this, Scanty. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are someone who can. One of your girlfriends. When you baby aname make a science lab ho. I am dealing with them, Scanty. I am expecting you to do same. And don't follow her. Come on, bro. Jana yo.
What's up, girl?
Miss Ampe wine.
Ope, senior brother girlfriend. Hey,
Master, listen. Before you came to this school, na me no ho.
Na
me no ene wo ho. You came and minim whatever thing na me the year no, and she think you were perfect for him no Ben.
So right now you are fighting for her, right?
Bro, and yes, I am fighting.
Or you are helping her for me to lose her.
She needs us in a positive way, bro. Not this. Don't be disturbing her. You don't go around, let's tell people to stop worrying her.
Okay, so she needs us in a positive way, and see, me no, am I coming to in a negative way? And I said,
you say you for and the BBSC, you name and I are you're not lie.
My precious, you told me he didn't do anything with you.
Hey, you are mad, stupid guy. What time in album? I didn't do what? That's what you took. Yeah. So I know catch you.
A man, you
come. I don't. You are smiling.
You told me you didn't even see your ties before.
Do you know you both are the same?
Huh?
You are both not wise. I don't know why I even stopped to talk to you guys. I thought you are the wisest. You are coming to talk to him for me. See what you are also doing. Foolish stupid. Oh, that's how it is.
Talk on something.
They make them so boss.
What's the man in
So I know to say how can
Bawo you know in.
When we dem na da bibi that then on the same time need that so do it. Bob I wait me. Huh?
What madam? Scanty, listen. As I was saying, you for bibi Anton Chen. Charlie, the girl need us. Huh? She need us. Yanko can't you amount for some munja some more tiny image no. Na jani o no. Who say ya no?
Opa try no support me person me no the last one not just na me. Yes I like I mean oba ntimi nja me o just 7 na me ja oba. So no ja me na me ya. School ma me girls yes on kan ho 3. Ono no ja me na me ya just me ja no. Ntimi sa ne da ba akumienu bi na me ja na nke yoki. Yes me me first enu afo na ye no what I say. See. Koi, that be the enemy. Koi, so when China out once. Yonko.
Ha! My cry. Who didn't see? Didn't see. Mommy can't shut away. Who didn't say? So precious. Only in your phone, you and answering pro school. Just come to be any has it. And I didn't a better corner. And I has true. Any in some she said, Naka, my fellow may appear. Scanty, any aroma, me a fool. You're playing right. I'm not joking, I'm serious. Me a fool. How? Say your it's in dream, Papa. Me and you are four. Na precious no me and you answer a dainty. Hey, and you said no anymore. Only pass on me and you are phone no dainty.
You're best man catch you faint, Papa.
Almost sorry, I almost see any.
Some catch her. Hey! So, what's Yana?
You shall say, I mean, wow.
And I mean, say,
yes, sure. It be a news in your rules. I think a rules.
Cause, man is Scanty. Also, almost say somehow.
Yes.
Like, a minimum, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
To say, everyone was say, Yena in them school,
I'm painting me black, just I mean, we have a shame to me, it's
a man, a man, new school hand to me yet.
But then there are no idea, I'm not cracking to one. Now, what problem on your mouth? One get to only do bedi.
Judge me. Judge me. Oh, class is some meme with Tine, so I am. Tine, I am young, I don't say this.
But one the one try you. Ah,
man, tries to say,
yeah, no, me come was him. Church was then near come was him. Catch myself.
I'm serious, la.
And I'm come was
me come on side. What was I mean? The cards match our bra. Mean him she.
Eh, oh, nice.
In crack. In crack, you don't power. I know I should die. I saw who bonny put the assay and had it. Most any reaction as a oh, dog. She won. You quite may sit in the matam pussy push and come with them there to say it.
You call stuff. You do one. No more, Diana.
Where Jimmy and no be a cat much as Kobodi.
Because I some to say.
Oh, be do consult you and Kobodi, where Jimmy. Next time it be my back at your main country. Ah, why should I say we no be dim come on? Why should I say oh, has a won't now shiny facial expressions no so. Baby say, I'm pan and yam pa. Allah, and the good to see no conquest and the good to find you for someone and so I dog give me.
Hey,
come in your head.
I can't ampa.
Ampa.
Where your own hostel?
Oh, who's the Seer?
Already.
Meaning that's no way or she is a call. Allah, and the good to see.
Hey, headmaster. No, sir, somebody calls to me. Hey, I dang. Good day, hey, nothing bonus man can't you obey what would you have? Dear Summer, catch him. Dear Summer. It would to small when you say, and cray, where friend you say, Aroma ne Adams. What you saw me in your for? Ninja sim say, Papa, say some papa and bahana. What was what she changed, my dear, who cook, say, you are papa, I say, Aduano. Some papa no. And a yedding. A media in a farm. Hey, no me to school one that send me see by and family say, we're nurse are now we are doing. We're journalists. Ah, Eden the Amunio in a farm. They be headmaster, I mean to us. A symbol coming to us. What must no school, any old school, any old school, and said the concern. No way, no concern. And someone will be private life crown who hear your mother. Or about some coach or more personal lives, nice or none a bad day will school. A own private life, a bad day will school. What in the man? What in teaching Ibiano? Neither no call one no dear, a door no opposite of the tiny baby. Hey, there be no school money who say when we are for says you school who say we any. There do hard. I said on my catcher was so young country one no. Hey, Buster, do you that's all you have to so? There be what we say next means me send us ta bo. There be a bo. Are they also? Eh, no, said I could not boy. And you mean, Mijina when him, you baby running yet. Say, baby, a hoye pass, or the Johnson who now would. Mamma call some bacco. As some nabano, and your wasam, and your massam, it will be fearsome. And Colano school no maba, school near showm, yet and show my dear, will be plan washing, and an Italian manipara. Nanon chesses will be awesome, fatuano. My year and Adrian saw possess as a medical reducer. What they was to say wasn't a asempa.
Wonye na adwen says asem ye say diteni. Akwala no papa bae no, akwala no aroma issue na de ne bae. Wa ama se wo ba be chechim sa me bani. Enti ba no ka utrim.
Mbim se was mo na papa no. Enti no nim se ne bani Adams no school ano.
Ene ye wasem be. Emu dia he na ye wasem.
Se me bu se.
Ye tu fo no posa hwe wa. Fa ho asem froko. Me ka to me pesa mete asem no obi anu mbi. Ene sa asem wo tesen kwala na e ka sa asem na ese wo na wo de asem na ateni.
Me. Na nkwa o mu tipe ni man me o makodi sa ankomo wi.
Na wo konkonsa he fa na enko.
Nkwa o mu yo nkono me.
Me se wo konkonsa he fa na enko. Wutimi di konkonsa mama gebo wo je wo mpaboa. Nti die bi o na ntimi nya.
Headmaster sa asem no de mempetie. Mempe sa asem
tam kasi
asem mempekureti
ko. Wo no ja konkonsa.
Sa asem ni cheme no wa brimi kroko no me hu de me yem ho. Ari na beka se akra kicho we se ababo age me mpaboa. Na sa akra se akra no bo me je me mpaboa. Na che so ni akra na ka bo mu na mo ye se mo bo me.
Some of them will be born a menu. Within the years that I didn't come in a cocasai. Munaka man papa when you so can.
Mia Crowe. I could meet me a Bunakicano, ne bibinti any enemy yedi. Bibinti am yedi. Say Bunana school my better say, a nice schooner, a crow best school, a bono, a bune prepare, can me a massacre, and the name of one my edino. And name of one person, the Babono, the comedian manabo. Say, and no dear me funny say, and yet the better say, and that's what me. Headmaster be saying, "Kon wan hwe me power sum ne."